Great to be back again at Celebrity Chef Mark at Appliance Factory's Monogram Kitchen. Today I'm going to be talking about 3 time-saving Thanksgiving tips. It's not too early to start thinking about Thanksgiving. I like to start with my grocery list.
I like to pre-plan my menu weeks in advance. And I actually write my grocery list in the order that I walk around the grocery store. I find that to be a huge time saver. I like to test out any new recipes before the big day. This is a great opportunity to make adjustments to the recipe and to perfect the timing. On the holiday, it's a great way to buy back some time.
While you're at it, now's a great time to clean your oven.
You can use the self-clean feature. Keep in mind that it uses high temperature and a lot of time. It's going to really heat up your house. It can even create a little bit of a strong odor. There's another great way to clean your oven. You can set your oven to 450 degrees, put a pan of water in there for about 20 minutes. That will create quite a bit of steam. Once your oven cools off, just simply wipe down and your oven's ready for the holidays.
Some recipes taste great if they're made in advance. I like to make my cranberry sauce now. I'm going to combine fresh cranberries, orange, ginger, and some honey. I'm going to place this in the pot, and I'm going to bring it to a simmer until the cranberries burst, about 20 minutes, and then I store in a mason jar, ready for Thanksgiving. For all these helpful hints and more, find me at YouTube and Facebook at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. And tune in next week because I'm going to have more tips, including when's the best time to buy your turkey. This is Chef Mark at the Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom.